Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin finally recovered. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for being part of this awesome crypto community. And on that, let's see who's in the house. Andrew, what's up? Jeff Loomis, hey bro. And Daniel says, Confucius said, eat the pump, a damn. Yeah, Confucius was a very knowledgeable guy. He's the father of market manipulation. Kidding. All right, so what's happening with market cap? We went up, hit the 20, right? No double bottom came in here, right? Not, at least not as clean as Bitcoin. But again, no bullish divergence either, right? So, trying to rally, hit at 20, failing. Right now, we're still seeing failure continue. Hopefully, we do manage to get above that 20. And if we do, we could be looking for those Bollinger Bands to potentially expand to the upside, and that would be beneficial. That means the market's going to gain some. But right now, it's just, still facing market indecision. So, oh, guys, man, I really wish the market was better. I really wish the market was better and a lot more fun. Again, coming in lower, more or less, there's really nothing happening here in the daily. It's just boring. Let's go back to the corn. Bitcoin, shorter time scales, I think. Is this from short time scales or is this from this time scale? I think this might be from the 4 hour. We just didn't anchor. Oh, daily. All right. Why is this from the daily? Because we had hidden divergence. Duh. Hidden bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Oh, look at that. Pff, rejection of the 20. We're trying to get above it. We said if we do, could be good. We're still going to keep on tracking all the way up to here. Guess what? We didn't even make it there. So hit the 20, rejecting, coming back down. 19,666 is going to be a target. Sold at 35.40. And again, nothing else happening besides that hidden divergence. In the daily, that's it. If we don't get above the 20, we're looking at 19,666 and potentially even a further drop if we break below there. Man, again, the double bottom didn't quite come in 100%. We are at a 1% difference from the bottom here to here. And we could consider this to be a double bottom, but it would have been a lot stronger if we would have had bullish divergence. And that was something I was calling for. If you guys remember, we had drawn lines. Got rid of them because we started to get this rally and kind of negating that double bottom-ish. With bullish divergence, just a double bottom. But again, double bottom is not confirmed until we break this area. Remember, we called for a break of, up here, 21,486, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. See what could potentially be happening there. All right, on the 4 hour. Divergence, bearish. All right. So that was yesterday. Great. When we were live, right? Still bearish divergence hidden. Moved down on that, hit that 20 and using it as support and trying to bounce. That's pretty good. There's really nothing else happening here. And sitting as neutral at 52.35. I mean, that's about it. I mean, short term, there is some strong bearish divergence that is starting to develop, right, from here to here. And from here to here. So with that, again, strong bearish, potential moving down, starting to come back down. Targeting 19,666. Let's go to the 1 hour. There's really just not a lot. Had bearish divergence yesterday, action and downside, starting to break down after that. That's fine. Hidden bullish divergence coming into play. That's pretty good. That's what helped us rally a little bit more in that and bouncing out the 20, right, on the 4 hours. So there's a reason why we took that small pop. And on continuation, right, because we did manage to go up slightly higher. We're going to see if we created anything there, man. There, I can see some strong bearish divergence immediately against the RSI, right? Strong bearish potential for action to the downside. Again, starting to look for moving down. Neutral at 49.28, right? That's about it. Y'all guys see, what do y'all do for the 4th of July? Y'all go out see them fireworks or something like that? Alrighty. That's it for the corn. Some bearishness. Not against the MACD, just against the RSI. And right now, sitting neutral, 49.48. So we're going to see, right? We're going to see what else is going to happen. Let's go check out Ethereum. You grilled. That's awesome, dude. What are you grilled out? Queuing some dogs. Maybe something else. I'm not sure. Let me know. Some like steak, burgers. I'm not sure. Fish. Barbecue chicken. That's pretty good, man. Hope it was tasty and awesome. All right, nothing happening here, right? Not a lot happening here, man. Did we manage to finally create something here? All right, hidden bearish. It's to the 4th of July. All right, yeah, that's about it. So bearish, potential fraction downside, started to move down a bit at a resistance, right? 1,153, 1,151. Or 1,153, yeah, I was right. Cool. Alrighty. That's pretty good, man. When you get some good Q going on, it's something. It's freaking tasty. Haven't grilled chicken in a while, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. There's really nothing bearish here. Also nothing bullish as we had established. Neutral at 53.51. There's really just not a lot happening in the markets, guys. Dema, what's up, dude? Had some bearish divergence yesterday. Look, still managed to hold on to it there. And then we got her moving down, which again, expected it, right? Because we were already talking about it here. So bearish divergence moving down, and that hidden bullish coming in, just like Bitcoin. And again, it just really sucks when the market all just looks like Bitcoin, right? At least the largest coins are looking a hell of a lot like Bitcoin. So let's get rid of this here. Right, so that's about it, man. There's really nothing else. High to low, less positive and lower on the other side in the short term. Nothing. No. Let's go check out ADA, I guess, right? I mean, we didn't get to do a lot yesterday. Not sure if I'm going to be able to go for a long time today. So, probably a little bit, though. I'm still like, it's just been a lot of work lately. Neutral 40.98. Let's go here to the 4 hour. Nothing here, man. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Bearish divergence strong. Finally found something. Finally found something. Look at this. There's strong bearish divergence potential for action to downside. I don't know. What do we do? Move down after that. That is the bearish divergence, right? The action to downside. Now, what do we do afterwards? Hidden bullish. Again, that just looks like the rest of the market. This just looks like the rest of the freaking market. All right. Bullish divergence hidden, pop, hitting the 20. And again, we did manage to get above it, but we're getting rejection right now. And that's probably because Bitcoin is just somewhat similar. So I guess we're following the Bitcoin to some extent. Yeah. So we can bounce from 618. Chelsea 3.2. I'm not sure. Do we have resistances around there? Sorry, guys. I'm really tired. It's been really busy at work, and I still have a lot of stuff I still need to go through. So, again, jump live late because I was working, and now I'm probably not going to be able to be as long on the stream. So let's see this, man. What time scale are you looking at? And what's 618, bro? I think we're farther down to 618, right? From the low back here to the high, we're somewhere near that 786. So I'm not sure what 618 you're looking at. Maybe shorter here. On a shorter move, we're trying to do something. I'm not sure. Let's see. To low, man. Yeah, you were not even making a valid recovery. So I'm not sure which 618 you're looking at, Dama. It would be nice to post it on the Discord. We can look at it afterwards. But Carthago pinging me about, you know, crude crashes, yield curve inverts, bonds, and the dollar surge. All right, so let's see that. See that DXY, is it surging? Yeah, it's 106. It took a pop yesterday. Interesting. Bearish divergence strong. First thing I see as soon as I look at this chart, but you know, it's just not really playing out after we developed it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Maybe this is the time that does down, right? I mean, Jesus. Daily again, still going higher. Is the divergence still gonna track? Potential is still there. Yep. Look at that, strong bearish on the weekly, strong bearish on the daily. I mean, this is going to get exhausting at some point in time, right? It's not, doesn't seem to be sustainable. So watch out for that. And then let's do crude. Where's your crude oil? All right, West Texas at 101. Yes, it did crash. Wow, geez, yeah, it took a nasty dive, 10%. 10%. Ooh, that's quite a big move for oil, right? So, still somewhat on a consolidation area, right? Ever since we got up here, we're just failing to go higher, but we are consolidating the zone. So not all is lost, right? Not all is lost here in oil. Some bullish divergence trying to develop, right? The inverse of what the dollar is doing at this level. Right, dollar's creating bearish, oil is creating bullish. So this should suggest that oil is gonna try to push higher. Interesting, man. Yeah. Right on. So that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum, that's West Texas, that is this. Let's look at gold real quick. How did gold do? Also took a nasty dive, 0.33%. What was this point? 2.35%. Wow, that's a little something. But you know, gold has been at this level for some time, so it's gone down, but you know, nothing too crazy. Cars and crypto, yo, what's up, dude? Super tired today, guys. It's just been really busy at work. I'm at that point where I'm not getting good night's sleeps again. Just by the time that stream comes, I'm really tired, and still gotta finish a lot of stuff. It's freaking nuts. Where do I see ADA going, man? I tell you what, it's not gonna matter because Bitcoin's gonna lead the road. Bitcoin stagnates. You might try to rally a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just starting John a lot. So again, trying to get above that 20 failings, just like Bitcoin. So if we do drop, we're looking for you know, that 40-cent mark, 40.7. There's some support at 44 in the shorter time scale. So if we do try to get above that 20, then we could be looking at, you know, maybe 67 cents or something. Daniel, yes, I need to get some barbecue chicken and rice. I agree. I have to look at Dana yesterday. I know this was super short. I had to run. Celt. All right. What the hell is this? I clicked something by accident. Celt. It was with a C, not with a K. That's why. KuCoin. Alrighty. Celestial. Alright. This is daily. Alright. The first thing I'm gonna do is get lock skill, because that freaking wick just ruins everything, and it might help a little bit. There we go. Do I want to consider the wick for the analysis? Could just be an outlier. So around the low we haven't even recovered, but you know, we ignore that large wick and we just come to this wick here, and I'm just gonna go with the wicks because I think that's the only thing we could do. Otherwise, we're recovering more than 100% already. So, all right, using the wick back here, hit that same top, came back down, trying to run again. I guess this kind of works. Getting out of locks, so I'm gonna try to hide that. There we go. All right, this is all I cared about. I want to see this. So getting above that 50% and rejecting right after, you know, it's not the best fibs, but you know, we also don't have the best data. So let's see. I'm gonna go back to log, and the thing is, if I come here to 100% close for that day, let's say that's, you know, a real data point or a legit valid data point without the wicks, and we go here, we are recovering out to 100% and starting to pull back down a bit right now. So. All right, not the worst thing happening here in Celt. Let's go here again and hide that first. There we go. Until so we are trying to go for that 1618, I guess. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for action to the downside, right? Be careful again. This coin for some reason just shot upwards to the sky. And I'm not sure why. We're going to try to determine that in a second. But, you know, strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. I'm not seeing anything higher that's bullish, so let's go to the 1 hour. If anything, we're just stagnating for the longest time. There's a tiny break here. I'm gonna ignore it. So the reason I'm ignoring it, it just could be an outlier, right? So that was here. There's really not a lot going on, so I'm choosing to ignore it and just considering this whole one move, and it'll also make sense here because on the hour side we have the same thing. So strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside, and again we're down to that, hitting that 786 and the 20 and trying to bounce, but we're still failing to get above, and right now below 20 moving average. So retest of that 786 could be interesting at 0.00, and then so 0.84 cents, so not even 1 cent, right? Neutral 53.39. All right, we're about to do that now. Let's do good now. I think Candana's gonna be the last one I want to do today, guys. I'm starting to feel like just completely out of it, and I just accumulated, I guess, stress from work and not sleeping well. So really need to get some rest tonight. Hopefully I'll be better. But there's still stuff I gotta finish for work, and maybe have somewhat a good mindset so I can get through it. Otherwise, the numbers are not gonna be making sense, man. All right, so bullish divergence, hidden action to the upside. Sorry, I need that pop. We had strong bearish. Dropped this. Hidden bullish. Again, what we saw in Bitcoin, right? What we saw in Bitcoin. We're not seeing anything different here in Cadena. Look at that 4 hour, man. Cup and handle Bitcoin 1 hour. We'll see. We'll see in a second. This is from the 1 hour. Just even look at that. Just forgetting to anchor. Jesus. What is wrong with me? I'm forgetting to anchor. Come on, what is this madness? On the 4 hour, dropping farther down, creating some strong bullish divergence. That's pretty freaking good, right? Like, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Bullish divergence strong, getting the pop. And after that, hidden bearish. No, this breaks everything up. So no hidden bearish, and no strong bearish either. So neutral at 43.64. Not quite taking a break, but you know, I guess trying to consolidate. But we didn't even get that maximum move down up. So let's go here on the 1 hour, on the daily. Sorry. And the daily popped in the next day, undoing almost what we had gained. So not quite a strong pop, right? And we also had a 3 falling peaks pattern developing it on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Bearish divergence, moving down on that. Nothing here that is bullish, I guess. Right now, we might be developing something that is bullish. Yeah, I think we are. All right, let's make this larger, man. And I get this here going. So low, lower, low, right? Whatever we are right now. I think that is true right now, though. If we go to here, we don't have this, but all the way to here, we have this bullish divergence strong, right? Potential fraction to the upside. That's about it for Cardano. Let's go to Bitcoin 1 hour. 0 cup and handle. First thing a cup and handle needs, it's a 30% rally. For our first criteria, we rallied 7%. I mean, you might see this as a cup and then the handle starting to develop, but to be honest, I'm looking at this more like a double top, of some sort. If anything, like if any of those patterns are to come to play. So again, you want to have at least a 30% rally before the start of your cup, and you want to have a certain amount of periods, right? And pattern, yeah, it's a little tough. at best. Is this, and it has strong bearish divergence, right? So it's trying to move back down. And like we said, target 19,666. That's what's at play, guys, right? Potential moving down still. Hopefully we do bounce here at 19,000, try to hold these levels, but you know, it's just consolidation for the most part, right? Even though we're popping up a bit, coming back down a bit, it's just mainly consolidation. Yeah, no worries, Market Wizard. Z Market Wizard. I was gonna wait for tonight, guys. I'm really exhausted. So, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button and sub. Just in the Discord, links have gone out. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, thank you all, and I appreciate all your time by what that you give this channel and watching the streams and hitting the likes, hitting the bells, subs if you have. And thank you all for the awesome time, but I'm just super tired right now. I'm gonna have to call it night. Appreciate y'all. Stay safe. Have good strategies for trading, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Sub Crypto. Until then.